Hi and welcome to your Flying Calm session. You can use this session before takeoff or during the flight to ease your nerves, to relax, and to enjoy your flight. So sitting down comfortably, take a few slow and deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathing in deeply and completely, and breathing out slowly and easily. Allowing your body to relax with each breath. Allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to the breath. Fear and anxiety about flying occurs because the mind goes into the future, worrying and building fearful scenarios in the mind. So let your breath anchor your mind to the present moment, a reminder that you're safe and comfortable right now. So keep witnessing your breath. Notice the sensations of your abdomen rising and falling, experiencing each moment of the breath. Allowing the body to relax, sinking deeper into the chair. Remind yourself that air travel is one of the safest modes of transport, safer even than crossing the road or driving your vehicle. The engineering of the plane ensures that it will fly safely. So allow yourself to relax. Let your body and breath relax even more. Keeping your mind on the breath, staying present. If your mind moves towards worries, fearful thoughts, just notice that it's happened. Label that as thinking and move your attention back to the breath. You are safe, secure, and relaxed, and you'll soon arrive safely at your destination. And slowly and gently, in your own time, open your eyes.